the warm-blooded sharks. The pork eagle. So
just let it clear up a little bit.
Dr. James Phillips
I should clean up. No, yeah, I'm just gonna go
has
for
been
it.
reporting pork eagle sightings for several days.
One of the species that I focus on is the pork eagle shark.
Sorry if it's really dark. I don't have my light on because I don't want to attract any like bugs or anything. You know, I also want you guys to see the lightning really well.
Because it's so hard to catch.
I do. I really, really do.
This time was that James had actually tagged these sharks, and he had tracked.
Oh yeah, bro! Shout out to Shark Week. I did enter the
The team leaves the Gulf Stream
But
behind,
the, oh,
pushing farther into the waters of the Labrador Current.
I did enter the sweepstakes thing.
Dr. Sulikowski will help them find the
So yeah.
which may be the most extreme of all warm-blooded sharks.
One of the fascinating things about the Gulf of Maine is its environment. It's brutal when you think about it. You've got almost a 30-degree temperature swing that those fish and sharks are dealing with.
The pork eagle exists in waters that range from the low 30s in the winter.
So yeah, shout out to Shark Week.
I'm dying to see how this animal behaves in these cold waters off the coast of Maine and how efficient their endothermic system might be.
For the pork
Dang.
eagle, every piece of data the team collects will be crucial to understanding this little-known species.
These tags are great. These satellite tags, these pop-up satellite tags. And this one's what we call a high-rate satellite tag. So it's collecting data at 2-minute intervals on temperature, on depth, and it also collects a light level so we can get a geolocation. We can know where it goes. This is going to give us information on where it's spends time, where does it go, on the surface of the ocean, what force on it, where does it go.
Well, not as well known as its infamous cousins, the mako and the great white, but the pork eagle lacks in notoriety. It more than makes up for with its unique physiology. Its bulky frame may explain its ability to survive in these frigid
Oh!
waters.
All of the information coming to us was good in that these sharks were around. But we call them phantoms for a reason, you know?
If you guys like this video, like these videos that I'm making, please.
It kind of went the way that I thought it might. I had been chasing this ghost for years, and every time...
Very loud.
And it was more of the same. This place was coming
Rumble
up short.
Thunder.
James had
If you guys enjoy these videos I'm making, please don't feel free to like and subscribe.
certain ridge that he had recognized.
I would really appreciate it.
So we decided to change up the game plan.
Dang it.
Thinking about Dale, he really wants to see one of these live pork eagle sharks, but we cannot find them. And you know, morale started to dip a little bit, but you know, we're hopeful. We're going to give it a shot or two more, and that's it. Then the summer's going to be over, and we will have found our phantom or not.
You know, the bottom's just lighting up 10 or 15 feet of solid bait here, and we got some potential bait here too. Water temperature's kind of holding steady at 62. It's dropped a few degrees, but
Alright, I'm gonna leave you here.
it's definitely tolerable for these sharks.
You gotta take your time. It's frustrating when you get into the bottom of the night, 2 hours, you're running out of money, you're
I'm
running
gonna leave it. Oh,
just but I tell you, it's a wild environment. So you never, everything's
might as well hold it.
This season is almost over, and they worry
Oh.
the third leg of their expedition.
Don't mind this blue thing right here, so you guys can see that. Don't mind it. It's just a TV reflection. Alright, hold on, wait. I'm gonna fix that so you guys can't really see it.
According to Harold, the scientists, these forestry people, you figure out the velocity, you can figure out the name, correct the code.
And they can touch.
Dun, 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 dun.
This letters manifesto. I think since it's been 168. I don't blame my book for myself. so glad to make your acquaintance, Les.
And Archie the Butler, any episode of that starts Tuesday, August 1st at 9 on Discovery and Discovery Go app. Shark Week, brought to you by Red Apple Ale. Together, we beer.
Oh, advertising. The things brands do to advertise divorce. I am so glad I can talk to you about the responsibly fresh smell of Old Spice.